Man, you have to mix up a lot of white. I'm running out of white again. Okay, so I'm tired of mixing up white, so I put white in this bottle with Floetrol and water, and I believe it's the same consistency as my paints. I'm using the same paints as last time, which is Brilliant Yellow, Artist Loft, Brilliant Red, Turquoise, Violet, and then I'm also adding in light magenta. And though it does not look like it, this is old gold. I think with the Floetrol it looks more milky or something. Anyways, those are mixed with Floetrol and water as well. So we're going to try to do another Dutch pour. This is so much fun.